I don't know what to do. I'm pulling my hair out. I can't seem to get my inventory right. Does that feel like you? My name is Heather Roberts, and I'm the co-founder of RSG Sales. We help home decor and furniture suppliers grow their e-commerce sales business. So that is one of the major pain points that almost every supplier across the planet has. The learning curve of how to manage your inventory appropriately, how to come out with a method and a system that really can help you grow and scale as an organization. What is inventory management and how do you do it? And how do you know if you're doing it right or wrong? So obviously inventory management is just that. It is how you handle the ordering and reordering of your products so that ideally in a perfect world, you never go out of stock on those items. We like to say we have an 80-20 rule. 80% of your business is going to be driven by 20% of your catalog. So if you want to make sure that you are not losing money, you want to stay in stock on that 20% of the catalog. It's really one of the biggest ways that you can guarantee you're going to increase sales. Because let's just think about this for a minute. Let's say your top selling product is out of stock and has been out of stock for, 30 days. And you were normally selling 10 a day, right? But because I like easy math, that's why I said 10. Anyway, when you think about it, for every day you are out of stock, that is, that amount of money that you're just letting fly out the window, right? It's just silly. So every day you're out of stock costs you money. And I know that it's a big investment to stay in stock and, and all that. But I think that a lot of people don't really understand, what are my top sellers and what do I do about it? So the first thing you need to do when you're doing the 80-20 rule is you need to identify what your top selling products are by account. And once you know that, then you're better able to figure out what the turns are. And if you are able to figure out and calculate what your turns are, then you can actually figure out how much inventory you always need to have on hand so that you don't go out of stock, not even for a single day. So if you have questions about this, we have a PDF that can help you figure out how to manage your inventory more effectively so that you don't ever go out of stock. Okay. So if you would like a copy of this, I would love it if you would below put inventory and we will be able to shoot that right over to you. All right, y'all. Thanks. Bye.